And I thank once again all the parents for wishing us. Yes, for wishing us. Parents, we start our indoor games. I would like all the parents to be along with the children. Can I see the parents with the children, please? Sai Shreyansh. I can see only Sai Shreyansh sitting. Parent is there. Okay, nice. Very good. Audrey ma'am, just see if the parents are along with the children.
Yes, yeah. Yes, they are there. All are there.
You all can take part because parents, it is you have to help your child in taking part in the program. I want all the children smiling, please. Are you all happy
smiling,
to do that?
Happy, excited. We are only having games. Okay, come on.
Very excited. I'm so happy to start my game. Okay, yes. Come on. Let's play our first game. Blow how many you can. Okay? Blow how many you can. Parents, as we have told, as we have given you the materials list yesterday, we have asked you to be ready with the balloons. Can you see everybody ready with the balloons packet, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this game is for 1 minute. Parent, even you can take part. Parents, you can take part. Just be with your children. Yes. Take the balloon. It is a 1 minute game. It is a 1 minute game. Let us see how many balloons you can blow in 1 minute. How many balloons you can blow in 1 minute. Your time starts now. Start blowing, children. Blow and put a knot and show it to me. I'm not able to blow. Yes, parents, you can help. Come on. Parents, you can help. Come on.
Yes, come on, children. How many balloons? Time is up. Fast.
Put a
yes, Kirtan. Show me your balloon. Come on, fast.
Kirtana. I cannot see Kirtana doing.
Where's the balloon?
Main stage. Teacher, take photos, teacher.
That's what I'm seeing.
Sumaya, I want you to sit and do, beta. Sumaya, kindly sit and do. Yes. Sit and blow. Let me see you blowing the balloon. Sumaya. Yes, kindly blow. Yes, come on. Let us fill in the air in the balloons. Yes, right. Come on. Why is that Snigdha so serious? Shreyas parent, what happened? What happened, Jagdish parent? K. Ananya, look at me. Look in front, K. Ananya. Show me your face. K. Ananya, show me. Hold it like that. Blow. Keep blowing.
Okay.
Blow. How many you're blowing? Please let me know. How many you're blowing.
Ananya, balloons. Where's the balloon, Ananya? Sumaya.
What happened, Jagdish?
Sumaya, show me Sumaya. Where's Sumaya? Hold the balloon in hand.
Himangsh, show me how many balloons you blow. Come on, Sumaya. See you on the camera. Come on. Blow. Smile, please. Smile, Himangsh. Yes, that's right. That's great.
Okay.
That's great. Wow, I can see Sai Shreyas with all colorful balloons. Stop. Now I said stop. Now just see how many balloons you have done.
Smaran,
how many balloons?
Don't keep your hand in between. Hold the balloons in hand, Smaran.
You can see.
Smaran, Haran, hold the balloons. Ma'am, you please put your hand, ma'am.
Yeah. Ma'am, Srinika is with how many balloons? My God, she's with. Ma'am, can you just count and tell me? Count and tell me, parents. Count and tell me. We will call you. Just you count and tell me how many
I'm
balloons.
not able to take it. Ma'am, I cannot take out your photo. Your hand, your full screen, only your hand I can see. Smaran, Haran. Move your hand, please. And hold the balloon in hand. Balloon, where's the balloon?
Yes,
You
I
move
can
your
see
hand, ma'am.
Shreyan's Donta. He has blown more balloons.
Unmute and tell how many balloons. Please count. Count. Please tell the count.
Not bad. Srinika's parent has done a good job. Great job. They have blown nearly 6 to
Unmute
7
and tell the
balloons.
count, parents.
Yes. Tanishka also has blown 5 balloons, teacher. Sumaya. Sumaya, you sit in your place. Your mom is outside of you. She will help you. Yes, that's great. Ananya with 3 balloons. Very good, Ananya. Good. I am very sorry. No problem, Preetham and
Very
Jagdish.
good. Yes.
Arush,
Haran,
blew six
Haran.
balloons. A chat message.
Tanishka, how many?
Tanishka, seven. Tanishka.
Great. Advait,
Tanishka,
smile.
nine.
Look at you have with orange and blue. Advait,
Wow.
show your face. Show your face, Advait.
Yes, Maran, Haran.
Oh, are you happy with the balloons? Okay.
Which
Advait,
balloons,
just show me
Advait?
your face. Great, great. Come on, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
Nika, how many balloons, Nika? Show me.
Nika has done really 7 balloons,
Wow.
teacher. 7 balloons she has
Oh,
done.
nice.
Ah,
Very good. Yeah.
yeah.
Chale gaye?
Nice. Piadya, how many balloons? Show me Piadya. So, Piadya, show me how many balloons? 1. You're sitting in between the balloons. So nice to see you like that. Great, great. Look, yeah. Parent, let me see her face. You have covered a full face with the balloons. Very nice setting you have done. Great. That's great. Come on. That's nice. Really very nice. Very nice it is. Great. Good. Good, Adya. Good. Can I get Sahasrit?
I log in.
Yes.
Host too.
Parent. This was one. Sahasrit, my God, you're with white and pink balloons. Come on, let me see how many you have done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, smile, parent. Come on. I can see the smile. Sahasrit, look at us. You like all activities, Sahasrit. I know really about that. Very good. Great. It's very great, parent. Thank you so much, Sahasrit, parent also. So, parents, this is a small game where you can sit and play along with your children. You can sit and play along with your children. So, it is in 1 minute, how many balloons you can blow. In 1 minute, how many balloons you can blow. Okay, parent. Now, we move on to, very good. It was Srinika who has done more. She has done more balloons. She was able to blow more balloons. And the parent help, I know. Very good, parents. Thank you. So, let teachers and children, let us all give ourselves and to all the other children a big round of applause for the first activity. Come on, children. Can I see everybody clapping hands for ourselves for doing the work? Yes, yes. Come on. All are clapping the hands? Good. Great. Audrey ma'am, are you there? Anita ma'am, Audrey teacher is not there.
Yeah, ma'am.
She's not there.
Yeah, she's not. She's there. She's there.
Why she's not answering?
She's in unmute. Audrey teacher, unmute yourself. Audrey teacher, unmute yourself.
Why is she not answering?
Audrey teacher, unmute
Yeah.
yourself.
Now, parents, we move on to another game as we have requested. Now, we move on to the second game, parents. As we have requested you all to be ready with the teacups. With the teacups. Can I see you all with the teacups? 3. Let us take 3 teacups.
Audrey teacher,
1,
unmute yourself.
2, 3. 3 teacups, please. Let us take 3 teacups.
Yes. Sorry, teacher. I was on mute.
Fatima teacher,
Yeah,
unmute yourself.
You're not giving response.
Yes.
Go ahead to you.
Oh, I unmute.
Okay.
No, I was
Parents?
on mute.
Okay, already okay. Now, parents, it is a request. You can take 3 teacups. If there are no teacups, I can see Sai Shreyansh with the tea glasses. It's okay. Either the glass or teacups. It is left to you, parents. Okay. Now, you can take any paper, white papers, as we have asked you to be ready with the white papers. Take white papers and write numbers and stick it up behind the teacups or the glass, whatever you're having. Write on each cup, each paper, number 1. Audrey ma'am, is it visible ma'am what I'm
Yes.
showing it?
Yeah.
Write 1. Parent, if you're not having the paper with the sketch pen, you can just write 1 on the teacup behind. Behind the teacup, you can write 1 with the sketch pen or the marker. Even who's having the steel glasses, if you don't want to stick the paper, you take a marker and write number. On the first cup, you can write number 1. Adya parent, please let us not waste time. You take the teacup. Behind it, you write with a sketch pen. Write with the sketch pen. Parent, you can write with the sketch pen 1. And on one more teacup, you can write 2. Ma'am, am I showing it correctly, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes.
Adrina ma'am.
It is 2. It is 2. And on another cup, 5. On another cup, it is 5. I repeat it. On the first cup, you write 1. 1. Then you write 2. 2. And then you write 5. Yes, parents? If you all have written, please show me the thumbs up sign. Yes. Anything you can take, no problem. Yes, I can see Kirtana showing me the glasses. No problem, it's good. If you all are ready, just show me the thumbs up sign. Anita ma'am, can you see all the children showing the thumbs up sign? Yes, I can see. Our parent showing me, Kirtana showing me. Very good, great. Shreyan showing me, very good. Shrinika, good. Kanishka. Sumaya parent, are you not ready still? Yes. Okay, now the game starts like this. Yes, parents. Now you have written numbers behind the cups. Now follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. Keep it, place it wherever you want. Jumble it. Jumble it. Jumble it. We should not know the number of the cup. Just jumble it. Yes. Did you jumble? Yes. Good. That's great. Now what do you do is, we have asked you to take coins. We have asked you to take coins. I'm putting it in a bowl, the coins. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee coins. 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupees coins. Yes, are you all having it? Yes, parents. Just put it in one bowl separately. Put a bowl separately. Yes, parents. For this game, I don't want you to use the spoon. Kindly use a fork spoon. Kindly use the fork spoon. Yes, Srinika's parent, I've seen you with the coins. Shreyas says, yes, good. Sumaya's parent, I request you kindly make Sumaya sit in the place, beta. Sumaya, sit and do. Yes, please sit and do. Sumaya, yes. The rule is, the game goes like this, parents. Very good. The game goes like this. We have put coins in the bowl. Take a fork spoon. Take a fork spoon, not a spoon, but a spoon. Please, parents, kindly take a fork spoon. Yes. Now, what do we need to do is, you take the coins in the spoon and put, how many coins are coming in the fork, you see, and put it in the first glass. Then in the second glass. Then in the third glass. And the money is still left. Again, you take it and put it again in the first glass, second glass, and third glass. Let this be done by the children. Parents, make your child to take the fork, take the coins in the fork and put it in the glasses. Okay? This is how the game goes. So parents, let us start. Let us start. Okay, children. 1, 2. Yes. Okay, I'm just waiting for Aradhya. She's looking behind. Yes. So let us start. Now, parents, let the children do. Okay, let us see the children doing this. Okay, done. 1, 2, 3, start. Take the fork in your hand.
With the fork, with the fork. Come on, come on.
Yes. Come on, with the fork spoon. Parents, you can help your kids.
Yes, Kirtana.
You can help your kids. Parents, very good. Come on.
Yeah.
Help your kids. Help your kids. Yes, that's great. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Point your. This is our second game called yes.
Yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on.
Parent, just remove your hand. Adya is doing it. Very good. She's doing by herself. Very good. Let me see who's doing by themselves. Come on. That's great. Yes, Kirtana, good, Kirtana. Good, Kirtana, good.
Yes,
Yes,
Anusha.
Kirtana. Parent of Kirtana, kindly adjust the camera because I cannot see her face. I can see only her forehead. Yes. Yes, that's great.
Good, Kirtana. Come on. Tanishka.
No, parent, Kirtana's face is not at all to be seen. Parent, Kirtana's face is not at all to be seen. Yes. Yes, that's little more, parent.
Yes, Ananya. Do it. Where's your fork? Come on.
Sit and do. Let us. Yes. Yes.
Yes, Jagdish is doing it.
Srinika, Doma.
Yes, Srinika. Sidiksha. Wow, good.
Everyone are doing, ma'am.
Good. Who's that? Vishruth. Where is Vishruth?
Yes, we can't say Brishit.
Ah, Vishruth.
Advait,
Cannot see still. Yeah, Vishruth. Yeah, yeah. Yes, come on, do it, Vishruth.
From Vishruth on chat message, ma'am.
Yeah, ma.
Ma'am, is it one coin or they can take many number of coins? Any number of coins. They are asking.
Number of that is 1 coin, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, and 5 rupee. Any number of coin in 1 minute.
Advait, ma'am, I can't able to see the Advait glasses also.
Yeah, yeah. Do it. Come on, Vishruth. Yes. Yes, Vishruth, do it.
Yes, very good, Advait.
Yes, Maran Haran. Why Preetham is sitting like that? Preetham, done? How many coins you can do? Do it in 1 minute. Smaran Haran, we cannot see your cups.
Adya is done.
Are you done?
Yes, Adya done.
Okay.
Srinika finished coins.
Okay. Next. Yes, stop it. What happened, ma? Hello? Hi, yo. This. Okay, okay. I did not. This one, she took the horse, right? Catherine. What compliment is going on?
Audrey ma'am, everything is okay, ma'am?
Anita, please unmute Catherine, teacher. She's on mute.
Okay.
And pass the horse right to me.
Okay, okay, teacher.
Yes, stop, parents. Stop. Yeah. Okay. Katina, ma'am. Yeah, now count. Did you unmute?
Yes, unmute yourself, Katrina ma'am. Unmute yourself.
Unmute.
Please check, teacher, whether I'm on mute or unmute. I have really wasted 10 minutes,
Yeah.
teacher.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
If you have finished putting the coins, now what we have to do is, parents, if you finish putting the coins, now your work is, your children have done. So now what you need to do is, parents, kindly take the first cup. Parents, let us be sincere in this, okay? Take the first cup. Yes, take the first cup. Remove all the coins. Take out all the coins and check what is the number behind the cup. Check what is the number behind the cup. And keep the money coins in your hand. In this cup, whatever is the money coins you have put, please keep that in your hand. And my number is 2.
2.
My number is 2. Now I have the money coins here. I must have only 2 rupees coins in the cup. Let me see how many 2 rupees coins I have collected. And you to do the same thing. I have got 1. Now this is 5 rupees coin. So it is invalid. I will not put this in my cup. I put it in my
3,
bowl.
4,
My bowl.
5,
Now
6.
coin,
I have
to put 2
6
rupees
2
in it.
rupees coin. But cup number 3.
I'm putting it in my
Okay.
cup. 1 rupee coin. Putting it back. Oh, again I got a 2 rupees coin. 1 rupee coin. Back. 2 rupees coin. Correct.
Your
1 rupee coin.
visible, Katharina ma'am, your cups are not visible.
Yes. So parents, it is 2 rupees. The number is 2. So you must have only 2 rupees coins. How many 2 rupees coins you have collected? Just put in that. Okay. And we can count how many we have done. I have got 2 rupees coins as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2 rupees coins I collected. Remaining all the coins I just put back in the bowl. Now I come to the other cup. I'm coming to the other cup. I'm taking out the money from the cup. And the number is 5. Now in this cup, I must have all 5 rupees coins, please. So I'm doing, let us start doing it. Yeah. 2 rupees coin. It doesn't go in this. Yeah, this is 5 rupees coin. It goes in my cup. 1 rupee coin. 2 rupees coin. 2 rupees coin. 1 rupee coin. I have got 5 rupees coin. I put in my 5 rupees cup. So I have collected my 5 rupees coins. I have got only 1 and 2. So in 2 rupees I got 6, and in 5 rupees I got only 2 coins. Now I'm coming to the next cup. That is number 1. 1. Okay, now let us find in 1 rupee cup how many 1 rupees did we collect? 1. Oh, this is 2 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin. 2. This also is 2 rupees coin. 3.
3.
So 1 rupees, 3 coins.
1 2.
So parents, now we finish putting all the coins in this. Now you just take all the coins and see total how many coins did you get? Total how many coins did you get?
1 2 3 4 5 6
3, 4, 5,
7
6,
8
9, 10. I got 10 coins.
9
My
10.
10, I think.
10 coins.
I got
10 coins I got.
Yours? Can I see?
Yes.
Yes. Can I see? Yes. Yes. Yes.
Anita
Very
ma'am,
good.
please take photos, no? Anita ma'am,
Okay. Very good.
photos the end.
So parents, very good. Parents, so I think you all have enjoyed this doing, isn't it? Yes. Can I get Sumaya? Yes, you have done, Sumaya. Good, great. How many coins did you get, Sumaya? How many coins? Okay. Now we move on to the next game. Audrey ma'am, we will move on to the next game, Audrey ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we finished. Now we are going to move on to the next game. Parents, I have requested you all to bring bangles. Parents, can you all take out your bangles? I have brought some glass bangles here.
Be ready with the bangles.
Glass bangles, please. I have got the glass bangles. The game goes like this, parents. The game goes like this. I'm just showing it to you so that let me see how you all are going to play. I got some glass bangles here and cloth pipe. parent of Adya, if you finish the game, just remove the cups. Keep the table space for the other things to do. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Come on. Parents, I know it is little tough, but little. See, let us try. Okay, parents. Now I have put this bangles in a bowl. I have put this bangles in a bowl. Okay, parent, I have put this in a bowl. Take the cloth peg. Put it to your index finger. Yes. Don't take the one which is very new. The old one you can take little, and you can put like this. Audrey ma'am, am I visible?
Yes, yes.
Audrey ma'am, am I visible? Audrey ma'am.
Yes, yes, Catherine ma'am.
So just the two pegs, cloth pegs. It will be little hurting, parents, but just help. Now what you need to do is, see here, I can see Tanishka ready with it. Yes, great. So what you can do is, okay. Finger. One you put for your finger, one you put for your child's finger. Okay. Now what you need to do is, see, I'm having my bangle bowl. Keep the bowl down. I will take one bangle in one peg, one, and put it in another one. So I have put one. Oh, then I'm putting it. Oh, it fell down. So we have to just remove and put it in the. I am also not able. Oh, yes. Chill. Come on.
Yes,
Just
good. All are trying.
Keep putting
Very
it
nice.
in. 1 minute. Let us see how many bangles you're going to.
When teacher says start, you start.
Okay, parents, you understood the game? Yes. Parents, 1, 2, 3, start.
Start.
Come on, Adya, start, beta. Sumaya, start. Adya, start. Yes.
Yes, Anishka, Tanishka, Sidiksha, Ananya,
Yes.
Srinika, Advait. Come
Yes,
on, children,
very nice.
everyone.
Parents, you can help your children. You can help your children, please. Help your children. Help your children. Yes, help. Come on, parents. Good. I can see Smita. Great smile, please. Sumaya, I cannot see you sitting, Sumaya. Jagdish, come on. Yes, Jagdish. So happy to see you. Come on,
Good,
Jagdish. Ask your
Neha.
mom to help you. Yes,
Athar
yes.
is doing good. Come on, Athar.
Great. It's fantastic. I can see all the children with full energy and
Yeah, good,
enthusiastic.
good.
Man.
Very
They are
good.
so energetic and enthusiastically taking part, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Just see the
Very
concentration
nice.
going on.
Come on,
with.
Ananya.
Really.
Ananya, you have to do it,
Anita,
Ananya.
ma'am, so nice.
Ananya,
Anita,
see.
they're doing so good, no, Anita, ma'am?
Yes, they are all
Yes.
trying very nicely. Oh,
Really, all are so immersed in their work. Each one is trying to do their best. Each
Yes.
one is trying to do their best. Yes, ma'am, this is so nice.
Come on,
Even the
Divai.
parents, yes, even the parents' involvement. Himansh, that is wrong, Himansh. Himansh, what you're doing is wrong. That is not the game.
Sinika is also doing.
Himansh, you are just taking the bangle and putting it in this cloth there.
Yeah.
No, take one bangle and put it into this.
Yes, yes.
Not like that. Yes, so cool. Teacher, see Himansh playing the game, Himansh.
He's playing another game.
Where is Tanishka gone?
Teacher, all are enjoying, isn't it, teacher?
Yeah, yeah.
Stop. Stop it.
Anusha,
Stop it. Stop it.
Anusha,
Stop, children.
catch it.
Yes, Pranav.
Can you just
Hold it,
now
Pranav.
stop? Parents, let it be little
Hold it,
sincere.
Pranav.
Let us be little sincere doing. I cannot
Yes.
say Athar anywhere. What happened? Yes,
Sure.
parent, what do you need
Shreyansh.
to do now is count how many bangles you have collected in the other hand. Count how many bangles you have. How many bangles? Yes, Athar. Come on, ask your child to count. Parents, ask your child to count. Come on, Athar. Yes, I can see Athar's mom counting.
Good, good.
Count. Great.
Yes, Aradhya. Count your bangles.
Teacher, they are really enjoying the game, isn't it, teacher? Yes. Count and let us know what is the number you have collected. How many you have collected?
Yes,
Sahasit
teacher,
parents,
you unmute
where are
yourself.
you?
Fatima
All
teacher, unmute.
it's in your hand, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Only two enough. Yeah.
Kirtana,
Yes,
Yes.
very good. Clap, clap.
Sahasit, good.
Yes, children, good job.
And
They are
show
doing,
me
ma'am.
what you did. Ananyasri. Ananyasri, I can see only this smile. Show me the bangles if you have done. Show me that.
Yes, Vishrut,
Show me
did
the
you,
bangles. Show me the
where
bangles.
is Vishrut?
Show me the bangles. Ananya, show me the bangles. Okay.
Where is your bangle? Did you do it? Where
Be
is the
Advait, did you do?
peginol? How should I take out the photo then?
Be Advait. Be Advait.
Yeah,
Can
hold
I
it.
see you? So sad I cannot see Advait with anything. No
Okay.
problem, Advait. We both will do together.
Yes.
Come on. And Advait,
Yeah, just show me.
with
Look
the
here,
smile,
look here.
please. The smile,
Vishrut.
please. Yes, and Advait, that's great. Look at me, and Advait. Look at me. I want your cloth pegs in your finger, please. Can you put it? Parents, can you just put the
Yes.
cloth peg in his hand, please?
Very good.
The other
Wow.
parent, can you just put the cloth
8
peg like this?
bangles, Vishrut. Very good.
Yes, it's great.
Yes, Ananya,
Good.
how many bangles, Ananya?
So, count for yourself how many bangles, parents.
Count, Ananya, Dimai. Tell the count. Unmute and say the count.
So, parents, this is one game
Yes,
where you
Anusha.
can just play. Kirtana, you did? Pritam, you did?
Yeah.
Pritam, show me. Pritam, show
Pritam,
me.
Kirtan.
Audrey,
Show
ma'am,
me. Show me the bangles and the
Yes,
peg in
ma'am.
your hand.
four
Yes.
sides are with you.
Look at me. Look at me.
Four sides are with you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to unmute.
I'm so very.
They are all
Yes,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
nice.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
the children are so lively.
Yes,
Good.
unmute
Very
yourself,
good.
Anusha.
I saw
Snigdha.
Siddha Sumina. I saw.
Snigdha.
That's it.
17.
Unmute yourself, Snigdha.
I have done
Adult
17.
parent is showing 10 fingers. Yes. Yes. So we finish up with the third game. Parents, you can. Yeah. 12. 12. Yes, very good. So parents, we have finished this game.
Unmute yourself, all of you.
Yes. Parents, be on mute. Audreyman, shall we go to the other game, please?
Yes, the next game.
14.
Ma'am, Adya had done 17.
Wow. Adya 17.
38. Audreyman,
Yes, ma. Yes, teacher. Unmute, Catherine teacher, unmute.
why you all keep
Yeah.
me on mute, ma? Parents,
Please.
we have
Anita, unmute.
we have
Fatima,
seen a
unmute.
PPT for circle art. Now let us do a circle art. You all can use the circle art. Any picture with the circle you can do. Any two pictures you do with the circle and show it to us. The best, as we have asked you to be ready with the sketch pen, markers, pencils, everything. So do any two circle arts and show it to us, parents. Yes, let us see what best you all can do. It is 10:15 now. By 10:17, I want the circle art. So it's only 2 minutes I'm going to give you. For one circle, 1 minute, please. Start. One,
Yes,
two,
1 minute.
three, start. Come on, get set. Fast. Yes, great. Parents, come on, help. You can take the circle. Any picture you do, you want to do the coloring, whatever it is you want to do, but you have to show it to us any two of the circle arts. Yes, parents. Can I see all the children started? Can I see the children started
Yes,
or not?
yes.
Yes. Can I see? Yes.
Yes,
Get this video
Rinika,
start.
Ananya, Vishrut. Come
Check
on,
this video
everyone.
start
K
the circle
and D
art.
section.
Use the circle. We have asked you to be ready with the white paper or white chart, parents. White paper or white chart we have asked you to be ready with. So kindly do it and show it to us.
Vishrut is
We're going to play another game.
Vishrut, very good.
Anita ma'am, are they doing Anita ma'am?
Just show me.
They are doing.
Vishrut, I must see. Just little.
Okay ma'am, okay.
Vishrut, draw.
Okay, parents, you do it and show us the art. Okay. Why is Smaran Haran teacher? Smaran Haran. Yes, yes, her mom is giving them some paper. Yes, yes. Carry on, parents. Carry on. We're just checking. Any two circle art. Yes, good.
Kshitij.
Yes. Let them do,
Oh,
parents. Let them do. You
Tanishka
encourage them.
done.
Yes.
Teacher
Yes,
Tanishka
yes.
is done.
Ananyasri, come on, do it. Parent of
Very
Ananyasri, help Ananya to draw. Please help her. Help
Closer, ma.
her. It is a
Actually,
learning
the bright
curve.
light falling. We cannot see the picture.
Ma'am, Neha, Audrey ma'am. Is she doing
Yeah.
something? Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I'm
Because
watching.
I couldn't see.
Neha.
I have
Okay,
seen. Thank you.
Tanishka.
Yes. Very good. Parent, you can help your
Yeah.
child by telling what is the pair. So with the circle, you can draw the arc. You can help them in that way, definitely. But let them put a try for it. Let them try by them.
Pritam, catch it
Yes.
properly, Pritam.
Good, Ketan.
Yes, they
Ketan
were
is doing
doing it.
good job. Parents, you can join again,
Teacher
parents.
Hanishka Reddy is showing something. Anishka Reddy.
Anishka,
Yes.
yes.
Parent. Kindly
Ketan is
access the
doing good.
camera, parent.
Very good. Next. Pranav.
Teacher
Akshay.
Shrinika has done. Shrinika has done, teacher.
Wow, I'm seeing.
Time is out. 2 minutes.
Parents,
I told
please
the time
join
is
us
out.
again. Parents, please join us again.
Parent, if you are logging out due to time shortage, you can just log in immediately. Okay. Yeah, Adya A, show me what is that you're having. Adya A, show me a circle art.
Show
Yes.
me.
Smile,
Show
Adya
me your
A.
face, Neha. Neha, your face.
Face. Yay.
Face and the picture.
Adya parent, kindly adjust. Adya A parent, kindly adjust.
Srinika. Thank you, parents.
Yes.
Srinika, where is
She's
Srinika?
putting yes. Very nice. Hold it like that. Good. Can I move on to another K section, child? Yes. Can I get, yes. Snigdha, show me.
Srinika.
Smile, Snigdha. Snigdha, you have
Yes,
done with
Srinika
the
is
circle. What is the drawing?
Attar,
Parent.
Srinika is very
yeah.
happy.
Smile, Snigdha.
Attar, catch it properly. Attar.
Parent of Snigdha. Yes.
Yes.
Kindly adjust the camera in such a way that
Advait.
the paper is completely white. The drawing you have done a bear.
Yes, Advait.
but
Show
it
me your
is
face, Advait.
completely white. Can you just adjust it?
Attar, catch it
Yes.
properly. Catch it
Please give the
properly.
Yes.
book in Advait's hand, ma.
Right.
Don't
Advait, I
say.
can't see your face.
Attar.
Yes. Okay, parent. Thank you so much. Okay, wait, just like that.
1 minute you have. Please
Round and
join
round.
us again, parents.
Going around and round. Okay, thank you, Siddharth parent. Can I go to N Advit, please? N Advit. Yes. Yes, N Advit. Good. Sumaya, show me the art what you have done. Sumaya.
Ananya.
Sumaya.
Tanishka, I
show me.
finished with you. Vishrut.
Sumaya did not do still. Sumaya did not do, teacher, still. Okay, teacher.